Taas na instruction. Uy, ingat. Basi mo.
Ayos tayo, ayos.
Yes. Hello, good evening. Ngayong araw is mag-unbox po tayo ng surprise! 5-layer plastic drawer. So, kasama ko yung mga kids ko. This is Ate Ding. And this is Miko. Chiching!
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day.
So ito, pagbukas po. So tulungan po ako yung dalawang kids ko. Si Dane at saka si Miko. Hawakan nyo yung kutsilyo. Tulungan nyo ako. Hindi mag-away. Yes, open. Okay. So, upo na. So, tulungan nyo ako. Upo na. Huwag nyo malikot. Upo na. Sige, ito na po yung 5-layer drawer. So,
ilabas ko yung drawer.
So, ganyan po. Sila na po naglabas.
Oh, ingat ha. Kay mag...
Ako naglabas. Isa-isa na po.
Ito din.
May ano... May...
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Took until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
just like a